Good morning. It's Tuesday, 26th June 2024, and it's Vijay here. Yet another session of pre market commentary. After a very interesting day yesterday, we have to look forward to a slightly bullish day today because of what happened yesterday. Now, yesterday the markets opened low, and at one point of time, Nifty was about 120 points lower. It almost touched the, the 23,300 mark. I've been mentioning that 23,200 and below is when the Nifty will become bearish. Up to 23,200, one can always look at buying on decline. However, I preempted the market yesterday and thinking that on all rallies it will get sold. We got rallies, we sold into the rallies, but it didn't work out as it worked out on Friday. Now, interestingly, yesterday both DIIs and FIIs have sold, yet the market has gone up. So, what does it tell us? It tells us it's extremely resilient market. You throw whatever bad news, you throw how much ever money, yet the market will bounce back. One or the other sectors will take up the market. Yesterday was the auto sector for no apparent reason, and then even in the IT sector, TCS and Infosys both were doing well at one point of time. Pharma did well. While metals did not do well, the capital goods did well, like ABB. So you are seeing a sectoral rotation, and for people who are scared and who think a quant fund investigation by SEBI will make any difference, I think they'll be sorely disappointed. So if you simply look at numbers, 23,200 and below, if it trades for a couple of days, then and only then can you say intermediate term it is going to be bearish. Now look at what happened in the European markets. European markets were strong. US markets, Dow Jones was very strong, while the Nasdaq was reasonably weak. The main reason was the great Nvidia, which has fallen from $140 to sub $120 in the last 3 4 days. S&P closed about 17 points lower. Now this morning we are seeing Asian markets by and large okay, moderately higher. Gift Nifty also is moderately higher, so we should open higher. Then what will happen will depend on what I call the Jane Street effect, which should come into play around 2 o'clock. So here, while the Nifty and Bank Nifty struggled, in fact, Bank Nifty was down about 500 points. From there, it bounced back, went up another 200 points, 700 points move, and then it closed about 40 50 points higher. Nifty also did that. But the other indices, the sectoral indices, the micro cap, the mid cap, the small cap, the Nifty Junior, all of them were very buoyant. There are many scripts which went up 10%, 15%, 20%. So it's clearly that the party is still on. So party pooper has not been found. We look at a quant situation, that's not okay, but still the market goes up. If you look at FI and DI buying or selling, that is also not giving us any information. And all this interestingly went up on very low volume. Yesterday's volume was only 60% of the previous day's volume. So generally, when markets go up on such low volume, they will say it's a false move up, but that may not be all the time true, because you see the buoyancy or the resilience in the market is coming from outside the indices. So the index may not tell you the true picture, or the large players who are selling into the index stocks may not give the right picture about what exactly is happening in the market. Everybody knows FPOs are coming, IPOs are coming, but the market is not concerned as of now. So today, an interesting day on the political scenario. Today will be the day when the speaker's nominations will come through, and tomorrow is the election of the speaker if there is a competition. So both the parties, the NDA as well as the India and the, let's say, the opposition, are keeping their cards close to the chest. So one may get to know only tomorrow. Today we don't know whether they will reveal who the speaker nominee is during the market hours. So we have a mildly positive outlook today. Also, the pattern Friday down and Monday down and bounce back is a very typical pattern of a bullish market. So we have to assume, and not only assume, we are observing that the trend is bullish. BTFD is on. So one has to look at stocks with BTFD as well as SOS, because it's not that everything is going up. Yesterday was a day when advanced decline was 1:1. So which means that both bulls and bears are very active, and complacency cannot be ruled out. And because of complacency, the market may have wild swings even today, when we start off the day with nothing much happening globally. If you look at precious metals, they are the same. The DXY is at the same level. The oil is at the same level. Nothing has really changed. So today we are opening mildly positive, going with a positive bias, but volatility can happen because today is another weekly settlement for the Fin Nifty. So whatever you do today, hope it is successful. Thank you for joining me.